How to fix Instagram and unexpected error problem. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram and unexpected error problem. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to restart Instagram app. A quick restart can sometimes fix temporary glitches. Simply close Instagram completely, and once you do that, you need to reopen the app and see if the error persists. Second way is checking your internet connection. Unstable or poor internet connectivity can cause errors on Instagram. If your internet is not working well, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolved. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. An outdated version of the app may trigger unexpected errors. For that, open Play Store on your device. Select the search icon and the search bar at top. Type in Instagram. If you see any updates, tap on the update button and update it to the latest version. Fourth way to fix this issue is simply clear cache and data of Instagram. Select and hold Instagram app and the eye icon. This will help you reach the app info section where you need to select storage uses, tap clear cache and tap clear data. Note that you can clear data, but this will log out you of Instagram. So once you do that, lastly you need to reinstall your Instagram. Tap and hold Instagram and the trash button. Tap on install and it will be uninstalled from your device. Again, from the Play Store or App Store, you can easily reinstall Instagram. Following all the steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the unexpected error problem on Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.